Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in or sign in on Spotify app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Spotify app on your mobile phone, tap on add account if you have already added another account, and tap on this option of login. Now go ahead, choose the option. If you have done it with your email, go ahead, tap on continue with email. You have to simply add in your email address over there and the password, and tap on login, and that is it. You'll just choose to do it login without password, which will simply send you a particular code on your email for the verification. That is what you're going to be doing in case you have forgotten the password. If you have created it with your Google, you're going to simply tap on it, confirm your account, good to go. Facebook, same as well. You just have to choose your account if you have multiple accounts on your Facebook. You can also do continue with Apple ID as well. I'm going to go with continue with Google since it's an easy option. I'm going to choose my email address, tap on continue at the bottom, and there we go. We have successfully signed in, aka logged in on our Spotify. Now we can enjoy it however we want. That is how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.